indefinite article, that is a and a or an. Okay, the first general rule of this indefinite article is a, that means a is used before a singular countable noun. Okay, a or an is used before singular countable noun. Okay, and in the previous video I had told you about what is countable noun. The noun that is counted in number. Okay, wherein it answered to the question as how many. Okay, so countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted in numbers. For example, like a book, how many book? 1 book, 2 book, 3 book, like that. And table, how many tables? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you can count. Okay, so you know what do you mean by singular. Singular means refers to one. Okay, and plural means more than, that means 2 or more than 2, right? So okay, so this is refers to 1. Okay, so this indefinite article is used before a singular countable noun. For example, like a book. Okay, how many book? 1 book, so you can use a book. Okay, and another example, cat. How many cat? 1 cat. Okay, so a cat. So like this, a is used before a singular countable noun. Okay, we can't use books or cats. We cannot use the indefinite article to the plural one. Okay, understood? So a is used before a singular countable noun. That means the thing that which you can count in numbers. Okay, that is the thing. So a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, and I think you all know this. In English, there is vowel and consonant. Okay, English alphabets divided into vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. They are known as consonants. So these are called as consonants and these are known as vowels. So A is used before the consonant sound. Okay, for example, a bag. Okay, you can see a bag, a cat, a dog, a fan. Okay, so A is used before the consonant sound. And this is vowels. Vowels are used before an. Okay, like for example, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. So these vowels are used before and that I will teach you afterwards. So now you should know that A is used before this consonant sound. Okay, a bag, okay, a cat, a goat, a jug. Okay, so like this, A is used before the consonant sound. Word beginning with the consonant sound. And example I just gave that, a boy, a bag, a cow, and all those things. And secondly, we use A with the words with the sound of vowel but has the sound of U. Okay, we use article A with such vowels as have the sound of a U. Okay, vowels such has the sound of U. Okay, vowels. Just now I told you what are the vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Right? Okay, there are some vowels which has the sound of U. Okay, for example, European. Okay, then you have union, university, useful, utensil. See, all these are vowels. Okay, but it sounds as U. Okay, vowels sound as U. So when a vowel, when it sounds as U, you use a European, a union, a university, a useful, a utensil. Understood? Second rule, a vowel which has the sound of U. Understand? Vowel sounds as U. For example, European. It is a vowel. E is vowel, but it sounds as U. So in that case, you should use A. A European. So U, union. Okay, so a union, a university, a useful, a utensils. Understood, all of you? So this is the second rule of the use of A. Okay. Thirdly, when O, when it is sounded as a V, okay, you use A. Okay, for example, O in 1 rupee note. Okay, one-eyed giant. Then one-way road. Okay, see, O. All this O sounds as V. One rupee, one-eyed giant, one-way road. So O, when it sound as V, we use a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed giant, a one-way road. Okay, so A is used on the following 3 places. That is when the word begin with a consonant, and secondly, vowel which sounds as a U. Okay, like for example, European, union, university, useful, utensils. Okay, all these vowels sound as a U. So in that case, you use A only. And thirdly, O, when it is sounded as V, you use A. Okay, A is used before this O, that is sound as a V. So these are the 3 things that you have to remember. And is used before the words beginning with the vowel sound. Okay, words beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, just now I told you what are those vowels: A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. So before this vowel sound, we use an. Example, an apple. Okay, E, an engine. Okay, an ink pot. Okay, O, an orange. Okay, and an umbrella. Okay, so an is used with the words beginning with the vowel sound. And secondly, an is also used. Okay, and secondly, an is also used with the words beginning with H. Okay, word beginning with H, but it is silent. Okay, when the word H is silent, we can use an. Example, R. So here H is silent, so we should say an R. Okay, so again here, honest man. So H is silent, and he is an honest man. Next, honorable man. Okay, so here again H is silent, so an. So in all these places H is silent, so we use an. Okay, so like this, A is used before the word beginning with the vowel sound, and secondly when the word begin with the H but it is not sounded, that means it is not pronounced, the word H is silent, so there also we use an. Okay, so here sometimes indefinite article, that is a and an, can also be used with the meaning of each, per, or rate. Okay, so indefinite article can be used with these things also, these terms also. For example, here you can see 100 rupees a kilo, that means each kilo of some commodity it is 100 rupees. So what articles can you use? 100 rupees a kilo. So indefinite article A can be used. And here 40 kilometers dash R, and here you have to remember H is silent. Okay, when I was teaching you about the uses of an, I have taught you that H is silent, so it is not pronounced, so it is called as a R. So before a vowel sound, so you can use here an. So 40 kilometer an hour. Okay, here it tells you about the speed of a vehicle. Okay, so 40 kilometer an hour. Okay, so here they have considered per hour. Okay, so here they're talking about an hour. Okay, now here 70 rupees dash liter, so they are talking about the cost of something. So here it means 70 rupees a liter. Okay, so what do we learn from this examples is that a and a or an, that means indefinite article, can also be used with the meaning of each, per, and or a rate. Another example is, okay, indefinite article a or an can also be used with some examples like 100 rupee, okay, 1000 rupee, okay, and also like a million people, etc. So in these cases also you can use indefinite article